Hi. Is that Dr. Amina, dermatology consultant? Yes. It's Dr. Khalid here calling from MICU. Are you on consults for us? Oh, okay, thank you very much. Well, I just wanted to ask you about the patient we have here. This is a 60-year-old guy who was admitted on Wednesday, I think, with a skin infection. We have started him on antibiotics, and we are not quite sure whether this is the right antibiotic or not, because we still haven't got culture results. However, the nurses were concerned yesterday, and I think it's a morning shift today. One of the nurses talked to us about a new rash developing. We have actually got, I don't know whether he has got a temperature or not, but this is a guy who is actually quite sick with his infection. And when we admitted him, we were suspecting a staphylococcal infection. So we would like your opinion, please. Sorry?
Sorry, Dr. Khalid, I can't understand you. Talk to me by ice bar, please.
Okay, you would like me to talk to you in ISPA? Yes, I will do. I am Dr. Khalid Awad, F2 Fellow in MICU. My situation is that I have got a 60-year-old who developed a new rash on the background of treatment for skin infection. The background is that this 60-year-old was admitted with scalding skin syndrome. He is on antibiotics and his cultures are not back yet. And this morning he developed a erythematous rash all over his body. My assessment is that this is probably a drug rash on top of a staphylococcal infection. And my request is for your opinion on this new rash and also on the background treatment for his skin infection. Thank you very much for your help.
I saw your patient. Your patient has a rash which is distributed all over the body. It is a maculopapular with some scaling, and the mucous membrane is not involved. However, you can see some rashes on his trunk and scalp as well. Going back to the vital signs, I saw that he has a high temperature, which is not responding to paracetamol or any other antibiotic treatment. I don't know whether you gave him an antibiotic or not. I saw it's like you prescribed a ceftriaxone, which is not suitable for this case.
I can't understand you very well, doctor. Can you please talk to me in ISPA?
Oh, sorry, Dr. Khalid. Definitely we have to go to the ISBAR for better communication and understanding.
Okay, shall we sit down?
Yes,
Then
please go on.
discussion.
So, hello, Dr. Khalid. You know me. I'm Dr. Amina Al-Ubaidi, consultant dermatologist.
Yes, we have met, yeah.
Yeah, so the situation is that this is a 60-year-old male patient who developed a new rash.
That's right.
Yeah, and the background, he was admitted as a case of a staphylococcal scalded skin syndrome.
Yeah.
So the assessment is that this is a new rash developing on top of a skin infection. And my recommendation or plan is to stop ceftriaxone and start cloxacillin.
Thank you very much. That's very
Thank you.
helpful. Thank you.